Okay guys, today's job is to continue our feather edge fence build. So as the bungalow's on the corner, we won't be able to use the standard Harris rails. So we'll show you how we got around the problem. Enjoy. Okay, all posts are in. Obviously, as you can see, starting to do the rails. Bending all the rails around. Should be done today, so all good. All right, looking good. On these rails, what we've done, we normally just put a 4x2 there or even an Harris rail, something like that, but with this bend, you can't obviously put a 4x2 there, it won't bend. So what we've done, we've put two 4x1s there, one behind the other, and laminated it, so you can get the bend. Can you see there's two of them there? Can you see? That's how you get the bend. Alright guys, this is what the fence looks like. It's 3 foot high, following the curve of the road. Thanks for watching, see you on the next one.